In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of replacing the liftgate open switch in your Kia Sportage. If your liftgate isn't opening properly or the switch feels unresponsive, it's likely time for a replacement. Let's get started. Before we start working on the switch, it's highly recommended to disconnect the negative term of the battery to prevent any electrical issues. Using a plastic trim removal tool, gently pry off the upper trim. Loosen the screw on the side trim, then remove the trim. Remove the other side trim as well. There is a plastic retainer clip at the lower edge of the liftgate. If you cannot get it out using a Phillips head screwdriver, use a pin or a needle to raise the center screw and then remove the clip. Next, remove the pull handle on the liftgate. There is a plastic tab on top of the handle. Just slide in a trim removal tool or flathead screwdriver and the handle will pop out. There are 4 screws holding the interior panel in place. Loosen and remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. After removing the screws, carefully pull out the panel. Be careful not to damage the clips holding it in place. After you have removed the interior trim, you will see the liftgate open switch connected by a wiring harness. Gently disconnect the wiring by pressing the release tab and pulling the connector. Now remove the switch after disengaging the mounting clips. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to release the clips holding the switch in place. Take your time to avoid breaking anything. You may have to remove the license plate if it's blocking the switch assembly. With the license plate removed, take out the switch. Now it's time to remove the camera from the switch assembly. Disconnect the connector for the switch. Press the tab on the side and then pull out the connector. The camera is held in place by 4 small screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Now take out the camera from the housing. Here is a close-up of the liftgate open switch. Take your new switch and reinstall the camera. Before installing the camera, place the rubber gasket on the switch housing. Place your camera inside the slot and reinstall all 4 screws. Reconnect the electrical connector for the switch. Slide the switch assembly back into the liftgate. Make sure it snaps into place and is not loose. Reconnect the wiring harness. Ensure it clicks securely into place. With the switch replaced, it's time to reconnect the battery. Reattach the negative cable to the battery terminal and tighten the nut securely. Finally, test the new switch to ensure it's working properly. Close the liftgate and try opening it using the new switch. If everything is working smoothly, it's time to reinstall the interior trim. Line up the panel with the clips on the liftgate and press firmly until all the clips snap back into place. Double check that the panel is flush and secure before moving on. Secure the panel with 4 screws that you removed earlier. Reinstall the pull handle cap. Just slide it in and it will snap back into place. Reinstall the plastic retainer clip. Reinstall side trims and secure them with screws. Reinstall the upper trim. Close the liftgate and we are done. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Reassembly for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.